Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1102nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Traders, wow, 1,102 videos. Many of these videos are geared to teach you the art of technical analysis and to show you how to use that analysis going forward for trading the next day. This video is being filmed on Tuesday night for trading Wednesday. That is November 6, 2013. Traders, as we know, futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is certainly not suitable for all trading accounts. Okay, so where are we? For trading on Wednesday, we have a neutral OMNI. We're starting off with a neutral OMNI. We are going to allow the market to test some key levels on the upside, maybe test some key levels on the downside, and see which one hits first. If it hits the sell side of the OMNI, we'll sell first. If it hits the buy side of the OMNI, we'll buy. Let's see what happens. For now, we're starting off neutral. There will be some trading in the emini S&P, I assure you. All right, traders, so where are we? Well, we are teetering around this, I guess you call it parallel channel, but really it's an F flag. And we've been teetering inside of this F flag for quite some time. And honestly, traders, we've come down out of the flag, back in, back out of the flag for Tuesday night's trading or Tuesday day into the close on Tuesday. This is the bar, we're out of the flag. Now, interestingly, you add in tonight's trading, Tuesday night for Wednesday, and you've got another bar that looks like this, back in. So tricky, a little up, a little down. What's it going to do? One of the things I'm disliking slightly just for short-term trading is that this could be some weird little bear flag right here. And if that's the case, if that's a weird little bear flag right there, then, maybe we'll come off a little bit. I'd say in the end, it's probably just going to continue to go higher. But while it's falling in and out of this F flag or parallel channel, we must respect it and we must see what's going on there. So we're going to start off from the short side first. If that's what happens, we'll sell a rally first. If it dips, we'll look to get out, and then we'll see what's going on. But we are a neutral OMNI for trading in the emini S&P. But there are some markets that are pointing in definite directions. Here is one. Traders, your gold market. This is your daily bar chart of the gold. So gold daily bar, the December contract, this is clearly a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, making this whole entire thing a big head and shoulders pattern. So we're looking at a big head and shoulders pattern here, and that should push us lower. Traders, I gave this to you about a week ago when we were trading up here, and I said, I think at this arrow, that's about all she'll write on the upside, and we should start to back off. We certainly have backed off since, and if you want to take a closer look, look what's building right here. Small, but great for day trading. Look what's building right there inside the right shoulder of a major head and shoulders, inside the right shoulder. So I am selling rallies in gold because the OMNI is bearish and we've got a good technical flag here. So that's what the daily looks like. We can go look at the weekly in gold. You've seen this chart many times. Traders, a wonderful, wonderful chart. Just absorb this for a moment. Traders, this chart has a head and shoulders on the weekly. We had what I like to call a head test on the way up. It failed, instead started to head right back down. We are below the 200 bar moving average, and let me tell you something right now, in a bullish market, the 200 bar moving average does not get violated on the weekly chart, and that has been violated. So more proof that we should likely move lower in gold. Then you've got this little masterpiece, this gem that we've worked on together before. Traders, this is the bond chart. If you ask me, this bond chart speaks volumes and volumes. There's a lot of talk, if you will, inside of this chart. A lot of analysis speak, if you will. First things first, I have noticed if you go back for several years, this is the 200 bar moving average, this long average right here. The 200 bar moving average is certainly something that fund managers key off of and watch very closely. So what I have noticed is on the weekly bar chart, when bonds come down to that 200 ball moving average, they usually hover around here for about 18 weeks, and then something dynamic happens. We had a big explosion. We come back to this spot a year and a half later, 18 weeks to the date, you can count them. We hover around the 200 ball moving average, something dynamic happens, and we explode out of here. Then we go all the way from 2011 all the way to now, the end of 2013. We get back to the average. It did stick around the average for 18 weeks as usual, but look what it has done. This was week 18 here, week 19, week 20. We are in 20 weeks now hovering around this average, and most times you only spent a little bit of time below the average and then got right back above it, like here and here. But look what happens this time around, traders. Look at how many of these bars are below the average. Bearish. Then there's this. It gets even more exciting. If you take a look at this, this is really a bear flag building right here underneath the 200 ball moving average. And this is week number 20 right here. Let me give you a little arrow. This is week number 20 right here. Maybe it'll help if I turn this thing sideways for you. And keep this in mind. This is week number 20. You are right here at the bottom of the flag. Take this box away just to not confuse you. This is 20 weeks now below this 20 bar, the 200 bar moving average, and that is rare. And a bear flag, traders, I think that we are going to get our chance to start selling bonds again very shortly as the next few weeks progress. Traders, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like these videos, please come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come into my free trading room where I can help you understand the analysis and hope to help make you a better trader. Traders, if you do like these videos, subscribe to them right here at YouTube. Click the subscribe button. You'll get an email every time I send out another video. Traders, always remember, a stop is your best friend in this business, and stops should always be placed first, and then, to the best of your ability, try to keep your emotions out of trading, and always remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for coming to my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to livewithoscar.com. I will see you in my live chat room.